Let me shine on you. Be your guide, babe. Let me shine.
Hi guys! Ella here. So for today's video, it's gonna be a very special day because we're here at Cascades Nature Park located in Magay Compostela in northern part of Cebu. So we're celebrating something and we will be taking you with us to explore the place. So there's no more talking. Let's explore the place. Let's check it out.
Be the one to guide you, yeah. Let me shine on you. Be your guide, babe. Let me shine on you.
So we finally arrived at Cascades Nature Park. So first we have to sanitize our hands and then we have to sign the contact tracing form. Hi guys! So we're finally inside the Cascades Nature Park. It is located in Magay Compostela, right? In northern part of Cebu. So before you could get in here guys, you have to ask for reservation because they don't accept walk-ins. It is because due to COVID-19 they have to follow some procedure protocols. They are not allowed to exceed the capacity of number of guests. That's why you have to visit their website first and then ask for reservation if you wish to visit here. This is the footpath for the guest, and this area guys, you can have a picnic here, you can play soccer, or you can even rent for wedding ceremony, debut, birthday, or even prenup shoots. So anything you want, just ask for a reservation because they will surely accommodate you guys. If you need some place to unwind and enjoy with your family, this place is very perfect for you guys. There are many activities you can do here and I'm so excited. This area is their hand and foot wash. So let's see what we can expect here. So this one guys is automated, in which it is designed for those who don't want to touch a faucet. And they also have nice restroom and extra bathroom here. And at the back is the shower area where before you could swim, you have to take shower, and of course after swimming. So this is their restroom. So if you want to go here guys, the exact location is, it is located at St.Francis Village, Magay Compostela. If you're coming from the city, you just have to ride a bus and then ask the driver to drop you off on Magay Elementary School, and then it's just 5 to 10 minutes away. You can walk and you can also ride a tricycle if you want. Hi! So this is their shower area. Of course, before you can go to swim, you have to shower first, of course, and after swimming, they have 4 showers here. It is set up for social distancing. So the pool is right there. Later I will show you guys how wide is the pool. Let's see the pool. Actually guys, Cascades got its name from cascading water. Actually, you can see here, I think 4 cascading waterfalls, so it got its name from cascading water. Now we are exploring the place. I want to see where is the lake because I've heard that their lake, they have fishes like tilapia and you can do fishing here. water sports just like this. Look guys. So this area guys is perfect for wedding ceremony or prenup shoot or even picnic. If you want, you just have to ask. They can accommodate you. And this area guys, right here, this is a perfect place for a wedding. And imagine if you want to have your wedding, imagine the bride walking through here. So romantic. The nature, so amazing. Look at that. If you want to have a prenup photo shoot, you can ask for accommodation. So it is available here, and you can also do a picnic and fishing because you can see that the lake is so wide and there are tilapia in which you can do fishing, and you can also grill the fishes that you catch. So this place guys is very refreshing. It has a lot of trees, especially if you've been locked up for your school activities, your work matters. This place guys, it's 5 minutes away only from the highway, yet so far from the noise of the bus, the jeepneys, the horns. You can only hear the sounds of the cricket, the birds singing, the goats, and you will be definitely fascinated by this place. Look at that guys. This place is a breathtaking place.
Think I can fly. Think I can fly when I'm with you. My arms are wide, catching fire as the wind blows. I know that I'm rich enough.
So this is their pool area guys. This area is so refreshing. You can do bonding with your family. Look at that, another cascading falls. Look at it. Enjoyed our stay in Cascades Nature Park. I'm so excited if you experience what we had experienced. So come on, check out their website.